Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of AI and machine learning, but don't worry, this isn't some boring lecture. We're talking about the top 5 must-see moments from Neural Networks 101, your simplified guide to machine learning. Get ready for mind-blowing breakthroughs, surprising results, and maybe even a robot or two. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Okay, guys, buckle up because moment number 1 is going to blow your mind. We're talking about the part in the video where the neural network, this AI we're learning about, actually learns to play a video game. And not just any video game, we're talking about name of game. The one that's super hard, even for humans. I'm watching this thing go from button mashing to pulling off combos I didn't even know were possible. It's like watching a kid learn to ride a bike, but the kid is a supercomputer and the bike is a rocket ship to the future of AI. Seriously, the look on my face when this AI starts beating the game, that's some priceless reaction right there. I'm talking jaw on the floor, eyes popping out, the whole 9 yards. This is the moment you realize AI isn't just some sci-fi movie stuff anymore, it's here. And it's learning faster than we ever thought possible. And the craziest part, this is just the beginning. Alright, get ready to laugh because moment number 2 is all about the funny side of AI. So, we're learning about how these neural networks process language, right? And the example they use in the video is hilarious. They feed this AI a bunch of knock-knock jokes, and at first it's just spitting out random words, total gibberish. But then, after crunching through all that data, the AI comes up with its own joke. I'm not going to spoil the punchline, but let's just say it involved a banana peel and a robot, and I almost choked on my own spit. I was laughing so hard. It's moments like these that remind you AI isn't just about cold, hard calculations. It can be creative, it can be funny, and yeah, it can even tell a cheesy joke that makes you groan and smile at the same time. Plus, who doesn't love a good robot joke? It's like the future of comedy is right here. Chapter 3. Okay, get ready for moment number 3. This one is going to tug at your heartstrings in a way you might not expect, because this one is a real tearjerker. It's a story that shows the profound impact technology can have on human lives. We're talking about the part in the video where they show how AI is being used to help people with disabilities. It's not just about convenience or efficiency, it's about giving people a chance to reclaim parts of their lives they thought were lost forever. They highlight this one story about a man who lost his ability to speak after an accident. Imagine the frustration and isolation that comes with not being able to express yourself, to share your thoughts and feelings with those around you. Can you imagine losing the ability to communicate with the people you love? It's heartbreaking. The sadness isn't just his, it's shared by his family and friends who feel the gap his silence creates. But then, they introduce this incredible AI program that learns to speak for him. This isn't just any program, it's a sophisticated piece of technology designed to understand and replicate human speech patterns. They train it on old recordings of his voice, painstakingly analyzing every nuance and inflection. The AI doesn't just mimic, it learns, it adapts, it evolves, and slowly but surely this AI starts to find its voice again. It's a process that takes time, but with each step, the man's voice becomes clearer, more recognizable. The moment when the man hears his own voice, his real voice, coming from the computer, is nothing short of miraculous. It's as if a part of him that was lost has been found again. It's like this wave of emotion washes over his face. You can see the joy, the relief, the overwhelming gratitude in his eyes. Pure joy, relief, gratitude. These emotions are palpable. It's a moment that transcends the screen and touches everyone who witnesses it. It's enough to make you want to hug your computer screen. You feel a connection, a shared humanity that bridges the gap between technology and emotion. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This is the kind of impact AI can have. It's not just about algorithms and data. It's about real, tangible change in people's lives. This is the power of AI to change lives for the better. It's about using our technological advancements to make the world a more inclusive place. It's not just about robots taking over the world or some dystopian future. It's about the here and now and how we can use these tools to improve the human experience. It's about using technology to help people, to break down barriers that once seemed insurmountable, to give them a voice, to restore their ability to communicate and connect, to connect with the world in ways they never thought possible. This is the true essence of technological progress, not just advancing for the sake of advancement, but to enrich and enhance the human experience. Chapter 4. Hold on tight because moment number 4 is going to take you for a ride. We're diving into the exhilarating world of self-driving cars, a realm where technology meets the open road in the most fascinating way possible. This part of the video delves deep into the advancements and challenges of autonomous vehicles. Imagine cruising down the highway, your hands off the wheel, your mind at ease, as your car seamlessly navigates through traffic. Picture a world where you can just sit back, relax, and let your car do the driving. You could read a book, catch up on work, or simply enjoy the scenery without the stress of driving. No more traffic jams, no more parking nightmares, just pure, unadulterated freedom on the open road. The promise of self-driving cars is not just about convenience, it's about transforming our daily commutes into enjoyable experiences. But here's the catch. Developing self-driving cars is like a high-stakes race against the clock. Engineers and scientists are working tirelessly, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI and machine learning. Companies all over the world are pouring billions of dollars into research, all vying for the chance to be the first to bring this technology to the masses. It's a fierce competition, with each company striving to outdo the others in innovation and safety. The video showcases various self-driving systems in action, and it's like something straight out of a science fiction movie. From sleek futuristic designs to advanced AI algorithms, the technology is truly awe-inspiring. Cars navigating busy city streets, avoiding obstacles, even parallel parking all by themselves. The level of precision and control these systems exhibit is nothing short of remarkable. It's mind-blowing to see how far this technology has come, and the competition is only getting fiercer. Every breakthrough, every successful test drive brings us one step closer to a future where self-driving cars are the norm. Who will win the race to build the ultimate self-driving car? The stakes are incredibly high, and the rewards even higher. The company that succeeds will not only revolutionize transportation, but also set a new standard for technological innovation. Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. The future of transportation is about to get a whole lot more interesting. As we stand on the brink of this new era, the possibilities are endless, and the journey is just beginning. Chapter 5. All right, guys, we've reached the final moment, the one that left me speechless. The future of AI. This is where everything we've discussed so far comes together in a vision that is both awe-inspiring and a little bit daunting. The advancements in AI technology are not just incremental steps forward, they are leaps and bounds that are reshaping our world in ways we could have only dreamed of a few decades ago. This isn't just about robots playing games or telling jokes anymore. This is about AI changing the world as we know it. From healthcare to education, from our homes to our workplaces, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. It's not just a tool, it's a transformative force that is redefining what is possible. The video paints this picture of a future where AI is everywhere. Imagine walking through a city where every streetlight, every building, and every vehicle is interconnected through a web of intelligent systems. These systems are designed to make our lives easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. It's a world where the mundane tasks are automated, giving us more time to focus on what truly matters. It's in our homes, our schools, our hospitals, even our pockets. AI is becoming as ubiquitous as electricity, powering everything from our smart home devices to our personal assistants on our smartphones. It's helping teachers tailor lessons to individual students' needs and assisting doctors in diagnosing illnesses with unprecedented accuracy. Imagine a world where AI helps doctors diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy, where it can predict outbreaks before they happen and suggest personalized treatment plans for patients. This is not science fiction, this is the reality we are moving towards. The potential for AI to revolutionize healthcare is immense, offering hope for better outcomes and more efficient care. Where it personalizes education for every student, adapting to their learning styles and paces, ensuring that no one is left behind. AI can provide real-time feedback, identify areas where students struggle, and offer resources to help them improve. This could be the key to unlocking the full potential of every learner, making education more inclusive and effective. Where it even helps us solve some of the world's biggest problems, like climate change and poverty. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and solutions that humans might miss. It can optimize energy use, reduce waste, and develop new technologies to combat environmental challenges. In the fight against poverty, AI can help create more efficient distribution systems, improve access to resources, and support economic development in underserved communities. It's a future full of possibilities, but it's also a future that comes with its own set of challenges. As we integrate AI into more aspects of our lives, we must also consider the ethical implications. How do we ensure that these powerful tools are used for good and not for harm? How do we protect privacy and prevent misuse? How do we ensure that AI is used ethically and responsibly? These are not just technical questions, they are moral and societal ones. We need to establish guidelines and regulations that promote transparency, accountability, and fairness. We must engage in ongoing dialogue with diverse stakeholders to address these issues and find balanced solutions. How do we prevent unintended consequences? As with any powerful technology, there is the potential for misuse and unforeseen outcomes. We need to be vigilant and proactive in identifying and mitigating risks. This requires collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and the public to create a framework that ensures the safe and beneficial use of AI. These are questions we need to be asking ourselves right now because the future is closer than we think. The decisions we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. We have a unique opportunity to guide the development of AI in a direction that benefits all of humanity. This final moment is a call to action, a reminder that the future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we have the power to influence. By making thoughtful, informed choices, we can harness the potential of AI to create a world that is more just, equitable, and prosperous. It's up to us to shape it, to use this incredible technology for good and create a brighter future for everyone. The journey ahead is filled with challenges, but also with immense opportunities. Together, we can build a future where AI serves as a force for positive change, enhancing our lives and the world around us. Let's embrace this challenge and work towards a future where AI is a tool for empowerment, innovation, and progress. The future is now, and it's ours to create. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments which moment was your favorite. Was it the AI learning to play video games like a boss? Or maybe the heartwarming story of AI giving someone their voice back? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got a ton of awesome content coming your way, and you won't want to miss a single second. See you in the next video.